Good morning, friends. Today let me speak about NPA, that is non-performing assets. The stability of any financial institution, that is the banking sector, and the strengthening of the national economy actually depends on the performing sector of the assets, that is financial assets. So the banking institutions lend money so that it performs and brings in the profit in the form of interest. So when the lending takes place, other than the general public, it is the industrialists, it is the businessmen, it is the corporate investors who take loan in a very huge formats. That is you have seen in the recent past about the issue of Malaya, about the issue of so many business people. At least half a dozen of business people have fled the country. So when such is the situation, what happens? The performing financial assets become non-performing. They fail to give the interest, and also they fail to return the capital. So in such a situation, the financial asset is recognized as a non-performing asset. So this seriously impacts not only the financial institutions but the entire business of the country, because the loans thus taken by the corporate sector, the businessmen, the influential businessmen, results in a negative impact of the state's economy. So what are the safeguards we have? The DRT, we have DRT Act in place, and we also have Sarfasai Act in place. However, these two acts are controlling the common man, or say the mid-sized businessman. More or less, it has failed to control the higher level corporate business people. So something needs to be looked into this in order to strengthen the law. There has to be a strong controlling mechanism so as to hold the higher level, the bigger businessmen, to hold them responsible, because this the financial loans issued by the banks to these corporate sector, to this business men, are actually paid by the common man's money. The money issued as a loan to these corporate people are nothing but the common man's money, that is the national capital. So therefore, until and unless a strong law is in place in order to hold this top businessmen fleeing from the country, the economy of India will always have a negative impact, and the development always becomes an issue. So thank you, friends.